Today is our open house for our Chasteen Student Services Center, and so we're really excited. It represents all of what we do here at Calhoun as far as student services is concerned. We want students to experience things in a way in which is a very welcoming environment. We have admissions, advising, financial aid, our Students STAR Institute, our ADA Center, and so we want students to experience all of the services that we offer here at Calhoun.
I feel like it's a big, how could I say it, it's something that was really needed. With the old building, we didn't see as many students as much just because it was kind of outdated and many students didn't find it as attractive or how could I say, welcoming. And now that we have this new center, there's been many students come in, we've received compliments. I feel like it has more functionality, like everything is more in one spot. It's kind of easier to give students directions when everything's under one building and everyone's connected. And I feel like the new Welcome Center has made that a lot easier.
Because when students come to us for the very first time, they could be a first generation student. So we want the experience not to be so overwhelming. So when they first come on campus, we hope that when they walk away, they do feel welcome here at Calhoun.